Welcome to American Machine Company, manufacturer of Triad wall panel equipment. In this video, we wish to demonstrate the capabilities of the CALM, component and ladder machine. This machine was designed to accommodate a wide variety of subcomponents to meet your subcomponent needs. This machine was designed using 4 pneumatic nailers, infinitely adjustable for a wide range of materials. It can handle subcomponents with the cross-sectional dimensions as small as 3.5 by 3 and as large as 12 by 12. It'll also handle ladders 2 by 4, 2 by 6, up to 60 inches wide. In this first demonstration, we'll manufacture some common components for window and door openings. We'll start with a standard header. First, we'll adjust the tool carriage within approximately 1 inch of the material width. By simply cranking the handle, we can adjust the width easily. Next, we'll adjust the nail position for this size of material. Since we have nailers on both sides of this component, we'll adjust them to handle the full width of the material in one pass-through. As I mentioned earlier, each tool is infinitely adjustable. There's a squaring stop at the beginning to flush up the edges of the components, activated by the push of a button. A foot pedal will cycle the machine. Now we've completed our header. We'll start with a couple trimmers next. We can do 2 trimmers at a time with this machine. Once again, we'll adjust our tool to the appropriate position. I might add that each nailer is controlled independently to fire. There's a selector switch on the control panel that can turn nailers on and off for different varieties of subcomponents. In order to do a trimmer, or 2 trimmers at a time, we'll activate our stop. And present the flush end of each trimmer against it. that completes the 2 trimmers. Next, we'll fabricate a common corner for a wall panel. Normally, the corners will be comprised of 2 full-length studs and some blocks which can be scrapped. Once again, we'll activate our squaring stop. And fire. There completes the common corner. Now we'll build a partition lead-in. Again, this will incorporate the use of some blocks. In this situation, we wish only to nail on the bottom block and not drive nails where they're not necessary. So we will just simply turn off the top tools in both situations. Next, we'll manufacture a typical partition lead-in. Once again, we'll incorporate some scrap blocks. this situation, we do not wish the top nails to fire, so we'll simply turn them off at the top of the control box, and only the lower tools will fire. The down clamps on the CALM are designed with the secondary clamp to help clamp small blocks down. That's typical partition lead-in. And now we'll construct some ladders on the CALM. Before we start, I'd like to mention that this machine is designed to place rungs on the ladder in even increments. This table, these stops are adjustable on this tabletop from 12, 16, and 24. In this situation, we have it set up for 16 inches, and we'll construct ourselves a ladder. The length of the ladder is really dependent only on the length of conveyor that you have set up in your machine. We'll adjust the width to accommodate the rungs that we have cut. And then we have two stops that we place that will locate each rung. And we set each one close to each head and secure it with a hand wheel. Now to position the first rung flush, we simply hold the rung next to the plate, flush it up, and clamp and hold it steady. Next, we bring in the second plate, and hold it flush, and cycle. Once the first rung's in place, we simply roll it up to our index stop and start nailing. Each rung is clamped in place before we nail the next one. completed ladder. These ladders can be used as partition lead-ins or even as triple packs above and below door openings. There's a completed ladder.